Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Oppo Reno 10 Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree at the top. Then click on confirm over here, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, tap on OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of this Oppo smartphone. Nextly, select Receive right next to Send at the bottom of 10 Pro. Also on Reno 10 Pro, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Click on Close this window. And finally, select all of those categories, available at the top, and choose multiple files that you wish to transfer. Select Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with only a couple of photos, so when I click on my chosen ones and select Send, I need to hit Got It and decide which connection way to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Oppo 10 Pro. Then also on Reno 10 Pro, click on while using the app to allow camera access. And finally point it at this QR code. To input key above the QR code, select Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers. And hit Receive. Sorry. Oh, a typo. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!